Hello, my friend. What happens when nature and humanity come face to face in an uneven struggle? Get ready for heart-wrenching and unpredictable stories unfolding on highways and rugged mountain paths. Even with safety barriers in place, unexpected and hazardous encounters occur. A moose in a sudden leap clears a guardrail and lands right onto the freeway. In regions where deer frequently roam, drivers should maintain reduced speeds. These animals tend to cross roads without warning, particularly during dawn and dusk. Lowering your speed increases reaction time, minimizing the chance of a severe collision. Are you all right, little one? Vehicle-animal collisions can result in damages ranging from $3,000 to $15,000 per incident. Enhancing road lighting in high-risk areas can drastically improve visibility and lower the likelihood of unexpected accidents. With better illumination, drivers can spot animals from a greater distance, providing them with crucial extra seconds to react. At 120 km/h, a driver was unable to avoid a deer that darted onto the road. The excessive speed reduced braking efficiency, making a crash inevitable. Reacting in time isn't always possible. A mother deer froze on railway tracks, anxiously staring at the other side where her lost fawn stood. Fortunately, she managed to find her baby and avoided crossing just as a train approached. In areas with abundant wildlife, reducing speed to 35-49 mph can significantly improve reaction time. In some parts of Asia, stray dogs frequently wander onto roads, posing a major hazard to motorists. These uncontrolled animals can suddenly appear, especially at night or in poorly lit zones, making it difficult for drivers to react in time. Ensuring animals are contained in safe spaces helps mitigate this risk. As night falls, wild animals become more active in search of food, often crossing roads unpredictably. Drivers have limited time to respond. Avoiding travel during peak wildlife activity hours can enhance safety. Someone needs to keep an eye on their pets. Traffic patrols play a crucial role in public safety, but today was not a lucky day for one officer. Stray dog-related accidents are a significant concern in India. These animals frequently roam the streets, making it challenging for drivers to anticipate their sudden movements. Their unexpected presence can lead to loss of vehicle control, resulting in severe accidents. Make sure to follow us for more essential road safety and wildlife protection updates. Meanwhile, in Australia, kangaroos present a serious challenge for drivers. These creatures often lurk near roadsides, waiting to leap out, particularly in the early morning or at dusk. A kangaroo colliding with a vehicle can cause extensive damage. Since kangaroos are legally protected, drivers must be extra cautious as handling them like other animals is not permitted. A shocking scene unfolded at a racetrack when a horse, suddenly out of control, charged off the track at full speed, crashing into a stationary car. In another case, a train blew its whistle to warn a cow to clear the tracks, but the animal failed to recognize the danger, leading to an unfortunate outcome. A pack of wild dogs suddenly appeared in front of a motorcyclist. Although the rider attempted to slow down and maneuver away, the encounter was too abrupt. Losing control, the motorcyclist crashed to the ground, and the chaotic pack of dogs continued their relentless sprint, leaving a scene of disorder behind. Wildlife collisions are always tragic to witness. Bears, known for their intelligence and adaptability, deserve protection. Seeing an injured bear evokes deep sorrow. Installing fences in wildlife-prone areas is crucial for safeguarding both animals and road users. Elephants, despite their friendly nature, can become aggressive if they perceive a threat. Their immense size and strength make them formidable when provoked. It is essential to maintain a safe distance and respect their space to avoid dangerous encounters. Bear sightings in residential areas of the U.S. are becoming increasingly common, particularly in wooded or suburban regions. These creatures often scavenge for food in garbage bins and other easily accessible sources. In one instance, two black bears wandered near human dwellings. A man, prioritizing his safety, kept his distance while using loud noises and arm movements to drive them away. Effectively communicating with bears involves making oneself appear larger and more dominant. This man successfully deterred bears by employing bold gestures, waving his arms, and vocalizing loudly, signaling that the area was off limits. His strategy, including false charge warnings, effectively conveyed the message that continued intrusion would have consequences. Do not move. Some male deer exhibit such gentleness that they show no fear when approached by children offering treats. Their eyes glisten with curiosity and friendliness, creating an enchanting scene of nature, harmonizing with youthful innocence. However, feeding wildlife poses hidden dangers. Over time, these animals may grow accustomed to human interaction, diminishing their survival instincts. Regardless of how tame they may seem, it is essential to exercise caution and respect their natural behaviors. Andrew, slowly approach that deer. Stop. Ethan, step back towards your brother. No, Ethan, that's his food. Move back. This marks the conclusion of today's adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Take care.